Okay. Good morning, students.
Good
Hey,
Morning.
all right.
Good morning, Miss.
Good
Morning.
Miss.
How are you today?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine, thank you. And you?
And thank you.
I'm
And
fine
you?
too, thank you. All right, students. Today we will continue our lessons. But before that, Swardini, please lead your friend for the prayer to the God.
Okay.
Presence. Who is absent today? Any absence? Yeah.
No one's missed.
No one's absent. Okay. Thank you, Sartini. So, but before that, we have to, I want to show you your grooming. Okay, only Wahyu that you have to sport uniform. It's okay, no problem. All right, students. Now we will continue to our lessons. But sorry, before that, we have, please silence. Okay, finish. All right, students, now we have to continue to our study today. But before that, I'd like to remind you what did you learn in the last week. So, difficult words and making sentence about the procedure text. All right. So today we have to continue our lessons. All right. Before that, I'd like to share your the second materials. Okay, this is our aim to this lessons. Is it you have to find about the difficult word in the text, and then what is the differences, maybe one text and tujuan pelajaran hari ini itu kalian bisa mencari mungkin hal-hal yang tidak bisa dimengerti dalam sebuah teks, kemudian kalian mencari informasi dalam video, even have to perform some steps to make or get some things done. Most all our daily activities are related with steps to do something or making something. Okay. Next. Okay. One question for you. Okay. I have one question for you. Do you know the continental food? Yeah. Do you know the continental food? Yes or no? Okay,
Yes,
Swardini, raise your hand. Do you know about continental food?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay.
Um,
So what is the meaning of continental food?
Okay. Continental food is a reverse to this made and consumed in the European countries. This of French, Spanish, and Italian cuisine fall under the category of continental food. The key specialty of this food is they concentrate more on ingredients like olive oil, wine, herb, and minimal spice.
Oh, very good. Yeah, very good. Okay. What we call it? Very complete. Yeah, about the continental food. So when you have to competency test in the end of this semesters, you have to know about the continental food. There are some what we call it. There are some examples of the continental food. Okay, continental food is reverse to disease made and consumed in a Europe country. Yeah, so the continental food is made from Europe country. So we have to know about some different food from different country. So we want to learn about maybe three what we call it, the menu of the continental food. Yeah, so continental food is the key in the ingredient, the key of the ingredients of the food. The continental food likes olive oil. Yeah, it's every menu in continental food is the base of ingredients is olive oil. Ya, jadi sudah benar sekali, bagus sekali ya untuk Suardini menyebutkan kalau continental food itu adalah berasal dari negara Eropa. Ya, misalnya disisnya itu berasal dari Prancis, kemudian ada dari Spanyol, dari Itali. Yang mana dasar dari pembuatan continental food itu adalah olive oil. Ya, pasti continental food itu berisi dasarnya adalah olive oil. Ya. Nah, kita lanjutkan lagi. Thank you Suardini. And how to serve the continental food for the first is the appetizer, soup, main course, and until dessert. Yeah. So you have to know about the ingredients and then step how to make it, yeah, and then perform in the front of the class when you have to competence, yeah. Okay, the next question is, here you are. Can you give me one example menu for continental food? Who want to raise their hand? Can you give me? Okay, Alvin, can you give me one example menu for continental food?
Chicken stew with potato and carrot.
Chicken stew, okay, chicken stew and
Potato and carrot.
sorry, with potato and carrot. Very good, yeah, very good, Alvin. Next, now here you are, the mind mapping of procedure text. You can read it in your LKPD. Ya, jadi di sini LKPD itu sudah ada mind mappingnya seperti apa, ya. Nah, next, procedure text, generic structure, language features. Nah, definitionnya. This is the definition of generic structures. Definition, generic structures, and purpose of procedure text, something like that, ya. Jadi kalian bisa mempelajari nanti di sini. Kita lanjut ke nanti akan di teks akan kita bahas lagi, ya. Okay, this is the language features using imperative sentence like cut, don't mix, and so on. Active verb, something like that, yeah. Using adverbials, and then using a simple present tense. When we have to explain about procedure text, we can use the simple present tense. Okay, download your LKPD. Sudah di-download LKPD-nya belum?
Sudah.
Oke, kita lanjut ya. Nah, now we have to continue to the task 1. Task 1. Okay, here you are. This is the receipt. Sorry, what a moment, please. Okay, the receipt is cream sausage and vanilla ice cream with orange juice. Yeah. So this text is how it is giving your information that how to make the what we call it, the from the text we know is which one is the goal of the text. Mana goals-nya? Bagaimana cara goals-nya seperti apa ya. Ini jadi kita akan belajar tentang procedure text recipe itu ada goals, kemudian ingredients or the materials, and then the steps. Ya, jadi 3 hal yang harus kalian pelajari dalam recipe atau procedure text ya. Jadi goalsnya itu how to make crepes, sausage, and vanilla ice cream with orange sauce, and then the ingredients and the steps. Okay, from the text we know that some maybe you have some question about the difficult words.
Better, Miss.
Better. Okay, this is the better or butter. Yeah, better. The differences of butter and bitter. Ya, kalau better itu saya misalnya lebih baik. Ya, saya lebih baik dari ini. Ya, jadi beda penulisannya, beda pengucapannya. Ya, butter. Kalau butter itu adalah maybe one of you have the answer. What is the butter? What is the butter? Indonesian language maybe, butter? Apa bahasa Indonesianya? Atau
Margarin.
artinya?
Mentega, Miss.
Mentega. Okay, good ya, Ardiawan. Mentega. Okay. I think Mahendra, you call it about the Elvin or Mahendra, ya. You have to difference about what is the butter and margarine. Okay, you said that margarine. What is the differences of butter and margarine? Please,
I miss.
Yes, Ardiawan, please.
Butter is derived from dairy and is rich in saturated fats, whereas margarine is made from plant oils.
Okay, very good. Yeah. For the butter, this is made from what we call it, the milk of corn, something like that. Milk of goat. Ya, jadi bisa dijelaskan di sini kalau butter itu terbuat dari unsur hewani, ya, unsur hewani seperti susu sapi, terus itu fermentasi dari susu sapi, kemudian ada susu bisa dibuat dari susu kambing, ya. Seperti yang Ardiawan sebutkan tadi, is very good, really good. There is margarine is made from plant oils, ya. Jadi margarin itu terbuat dari minyak tumbuhan, ya. Jadi dari tumbuh-tumbuhan di sana. Itu perbedaan antara butter dan juga margarin. Oke, thank you for Ardiawan. Maybe others questions have to know what this is the ingredients, what this is the step, something like that. Okay, RG raise your hand. RG raise hand, please. What did you find about the material that difficult that you imagine?
Oranges, Miss.
Okay, oranges. Anyone can answer what is oranges? Okay, Swardini, good, Swardini. Answer, please.
Answer to RT question for the oranges.
Yeah.
Oranges is made from orange peel.
Okay, thank you. Very good ya, Swardini. So, oranges is made from orange peel. Ya, jadi seperti itu ya, RG. Oke, RG oranges itu terbuat dari kulit jeruk yang serut ya, seperti itu. Jadi bisa sebagai garnir ataupun sebagai nanti kulit jeruknya itu memberikan rasa yang lebih ya. Nah, I give you the differences about the orange juice, oranges, and orange syrup. Yeah, I give you the what we call it, the okay, here you are. Okay, have you found about the this is the oranges, ya. Jadi di sini ini contohnya orangesnya, ya. Nah, kulitnya yang inilah diserut jadi seperti ini. Ya. This is the oranges and then about orange juice. Nah, here you are. This is the orange juice, ya. Jadi orange juice itu lebih encer, ya, encer dari orange syrup. Nah, sekarang kita ke orange syrup. Nah, here you are. This is orange syrup. Ya, jadi orange syrup itu lebih kental dari orange juice-nya. Ya. Nah, seperti itu contohnya. Kita lanjut lagi ke nah, di sana sudah ada perbedaan ya antara orange juice. Kalian tadi sudah tahu ya dari sausage sauce-nya ini mana sih orange juice, mana sih oranges, mana sih orange syrup. Ya. Jadi sudah ada bayangan. Once of you have to read about the steps, ya. Jadi bisa kalian membaca di sini step-stepsnya seperti yang Ibu akan coba untuk memberikan caranya menjawab bagaimana cara membaca stepnya ya. Yang pertama, melt the butter, set aside, ya. The first step. The second step is beat eggs, sugars, milk, vanilla extract, and oranges until well mixed. Okay, Swardini, you raise hand. Please read the steps from number 1 until number 5.
Okay, Miss, I will read that. From step number 1,
Mm-mm.
melt the butter, set aside acid. For
Aside.
number 2, beat egg, sugar, milk, vanilla extract, and orange zest until well mixed.
Okay, thank you, Swardini. Very good. Now I give you the good how to read number 1. Yeah, there is some mistake about the pronunciations. Melt the butter, set aside. Ya, aside bukan acid di sana. Ya, oke, bagus, sudah bagus sekali ya, sudah dibaca seperti itu. Selanjutnya number 6 and number 7. Okay, number 6.
I miss.
Okay, Elvin, please, number 6.
Number 6. Pour all the ingredient into a saucepan, then cook over low heat until the consistency stick. Pour the sauce on the gravy jug to serve.
Okay, bagus ya, Elvin. But there are some mistake how to pronounce about the number 7. Pour all the ingredients ya, the ingredients ya. Jadi jika the-nya itu diikuti oleh huruf vokal, maka dia dibaca the ingredients ya. Kalau the-nya itu diikuti oleh seperti the consistency itu huruf konsonan, maka dibaca the ya. Okay, good. It's okay. Now about the number 7. Pour the sauce on the gravy jugs ya. Jug to serve, bukan jug. Okay. Very good for Alvin. Okay, next we have to what we call it answer the questions. You have to answer the question in what is the text about? Yeah.
Procedure.
Yeah, text procedure. Yeah, very good. Yeah, to text procedure. Okay. For the others of LKPD, you have to answer it all the text ya. Jadi di sini kalian untuk menjawab semuanya silakan kerjakan nanti di LKPD kemudian disetorkan ya. Dan setelah itu kalian setor ke Swardini. Oke, Swardini please divide it into 2 groups ya. Group 1 and group 2. Group 1 Swardini, RJ and Mahendra. Group 2 Ardiawan, Wahyu and Elvin. So we have to go to the next session. Sorry. Oke. Silakan nanti masuk ke grupnya, kemudian kalian menjawab tentang teks di bawahnya. Ya, ini ada what we call it.
Hello, friends. Today we will be learning how to write a procedural text such as a recipe. You may be wondering, what is a procedural text? Procedures are written to teach or instruct the reader how to do or make something. What kind?
Okay, this is the video that you have to discuss with your friends. So now we have to continue to the text 3. Okay, we have to nanti di sini kalian menjelaskan tentang what is the goals of the text. Who want to answer the question? What is the goal of the text? Okay, there are 2 texts over here, text 3 and text 4. How to make flour chicken forensen and salt bell pepper and bake baby potatoes, and then how to make avocado salad with sweet. Ya, jadi di sini kalian sudah masuk ke room ya. Dari 2 teks ini, silakan kalian lihat teks mana yang yang duluan disiapkan, teks 1 atau teks 2. Swardini dapat teks 1, jadi teks 1 atau teks 2, Swardini dapat?
Text 1.
Text 1. So the main
course.
Yeah, we have to perform the
second dialogue.
Okay, second dialogues. Okay, so Swardini have to perform the second dialogues. Ardiawan have to perform the
Text 2.
Text 2. We have to apa teh?
Appetizer.
Okay, so perform first. All right. You have to 5 minutes to join your group. Okay, next. Now we have to continue to the next session is how to you make short dialogues, short dialogues, and then you have to make the dialogues, and then in your groups, ya. Jadi silakan kalian membuat dialogs. Okay, Suardini.
I'm from group one.
Okay, group 1. So, group 1, from the text, there are 2 texts over here. Chicken Florentine from the serve of the board of the recipe. Which one is the first serve? Yang manakah yang duluan di apa namanya yang di dari 2 teks ini, silakan kalian lihat teks mana yang apa namanya yang duluan disiapkan, teks 1 atau teks 2. Suardini dapat teks 1, jadi teks 1 atau teks 2 Suardini dapat?
Text 1.
Teks 1. So the main
course.
Yeah, we have to perform the
second dialogue.
Okay, second dialogues. Okay, so Suardini have to perform the second dialogues. Ardiawan have to perform the
Text 2.
text 2. We have to apa teh?
Appetizer.
Okay, so perform first. All right, you have to 5 minutes to join your group, join your partners.
Sorry ini apa artinya prosedur teks?
Okay, procedure texts are written to teach or instruct the reader how to do and how to make something different of text.
Oh, okay, thanks Sordini.
Alright, thank you group 1. I'd like to join in another group.
Elpin, apa
Ya.
artinya prosedur teks?
Prosedur teks.
Oke, kalian sudah mendiskusikan yang teks selanjutnya, teks 1 dan teks 2. Have you finished to, ada kendala? Have you finished to discuss about the text? Sudah bisa? Ada mungkin hal yang belum dipahami?
Sudah lebih.
Sudah ya?
Ya.
Oke. Ibu, oke, saya akan leave.
Explanation. Might I have to test the food?
Oke, ada kendala? Have you difficult how to answer the question? Finish?
Finish,
Sudah.
Miss.
Oke, kalau sudah kita ke Oke, have you finished about the dialogues? Sudah selesai dialognya?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, thank you. Jadi sudah selesai dialognya. Kita ke ada kendala enggak?
No.
Ada kendala enggak di sini? Sudah selesai dialognya? Have you finished your dialogues?
Yes, sudah nih, Miss.
Okay, thank you. All right, students, you have to discuss about all of the what we call it the text ya. Jadi bisa sudah di pelajari di situ ya teks-teksnya, kemudian videonya. Okay, the first question is wait a moment. I have to share screen first. Share screen. Okay. Okay, here you are.
Hello, friends. Today, we will be learning how to write a procedural text such as a recipe. You may be wondering, what is a procedural text?
Okay, so what is the definition of the procedure text? What is the definition of procedure text? From the first group, Swardini, what is the titles of the definition? Sorry, Ardiawan group. From the Ardiawan, what is the definition of in the video?
Definition. Procedure are written to teach or instruct to the reader how to do and how to make something.
Okay, how about the other groups? Is it correct? Or the pronunciation is not correct, something like that? Maybe Suardini, you are the leader of the groups.
No one, Miss. This is a correct answer.
Okay, correct answer. But I have to correct about your instruct. Yeah, not instruct. Yeah. Procedures are written to teach or instruct the readers how to do and how to make something. Ya, jadi seperti itu. Oke, sudah untuk selanjutnya bisa nanti kalian kerjakan di LKPD-nya. Kemudian yang belum dapat perform, yang belum dapat menulis ataupun melanjutkan kegiatan bisa nanti dikerjakan di LKPD-nya. Ya, kata-kata yang tidak kalian pahami di sini. Dari dua wacana ini ada nggak? Ada? Oke. Kalau begitu
Sudah.
kita lanjut ke how to formulate about the differences from group 1. Sorry, Swardini. Number one, yes, please.
Okay. For the title of the text is Chicken Florentine and South Bell, Beaver and Baked Baby Potatoes. And text number 2 is how to make avocado salad with seafood.
Okay. There is the answer number 1. And how about the other groups? Are you satisfied with the groups, the answer, the group answers? Sudah puas atau ada tambahan? No?
No,
Yep.
Miss.
All right. Okay, thank you. There are question about the text of the differences, the two texts. Ya, jadi bisa kalian nanti pelajari bagaimana teksnya. Kemudian ini perlu dipelajari lagi kata-kata yang sulit ya. Nanti kalian bisa tuliskan kata-kata yang kalian anggap sulit di sini di LKPD-nya ya. Nanti kita bahas nanti Ibu akan cek kata-kata sulit yang kalian dapatkan dari membaca teks ini. Alright, students. So who wants to the performs the dialogues? The second group, yeah, Ardiawan, please. And then about the text that you have been written before, you can collect in LKPD ya. Jadi teks yang sudah kalian buat atau teks yang sudah kalian kerjakan itu bisa kalian kumpulkan lewat LKPD ya. Oke, selanjutnya. Silakan perform dialog grupnya Ardiawan.
Okay, Miss. Good morning, friends.
Good
morning.
What are you doing?
We went to make avocado salad with skim.
That's very nice. May I know the ingredient?
1 jumbo shrimp, 3 limes, salt, pepper, 1 lettuce.
Thanks for your explanation. May I have to taste the food?
Finish? Very good.
Finish, yeah.
Okay, very good for your dialogues. So, after you have to, I think there are some exercise over there. And then today, what did you learn from the text? We have to conclude our lessons before we end these lessons. What did you learn in this class today? Anyone? Raise your hand, please. Bisa kalian simpulkan ya, apa yang kalian pelajari hari ini?
I miss.
Yes, okay, Mahendra. Yes, please, Mahendra. Mahendra?
Wait, Miss. Aduh, bingung kalian.
What we learn in this class today is what did you learn in this class today? Mahendra?
Yes, Miss.
Hmm?
We learn about the generic structure of procedure text.
Oh, very good. Yeah, very good, Mahendra. All right.
Thank you.
The first is we learn about the generic structure of procedure text. Maybe next. Want to conclude again what we learned today?
I miss.
Okay, Ardiawan, please.
We find some information from video.
Okay, we find some information in the video. Maybe the last?
G. I mean,
Okay, RG.
we can make a dialogue and perform it.
Okay, very good. So we have to learn about the generic structure of procedure text, and then we find about some information in the video, and then making about the text, yeah, find the differences about the text 1 and the text 2, and then you have to know about what is continental food, yeah, what is continental food, and then the last is you did the dialogues, yeah, you write in the dialogue and the perform it. Okay, class, for today I think is enough. Jadi silakan nanti kalian pelajari di rumah. Bagus sekali kalian sudah aktif, kemudian sudah bisa menyimpulkan apa yang kita pelajari. Bagus sekali, hari ini kita akhiri. Kemudian sebelum itu kita silent dulu. Silakan silent first. Okay, finish. Okay, Swardini, please lead your friend for pray to the God. Masih di mute, still mute.
Okay, everyone, before we end to the class, we pray to the God for. So let's take a shot. Have you finished?
Okay, thank you, Swardini. Now, please remember to use, to learn about the protocol, from the negative effect of coronavirus, ya. Jadi silakan kalian tetap menggunakan protokol kesehatan untuk menghindari bagaimana efek dari coronavirus tersebut. Baik. Kita akan pelajari nanti bagaimana untuk minggu depan. Oke, untuk semua LKPD yang kalian nanti kerjakan itu bisa nanti dikumpulkan, kemudian disetorkan ke Swardini, ya. Nanti Swardini yang akan mengumpulkan segala kegiatan yang kalian kerjakan hari ini yang belum dapat perform, ya. Aku tunggu waktunya sampai minggu depan. Oke, I think it's enough for today. See you next week and goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.